Hey guys, if you're trying to delete a video, audio or image file and getting the error, this section can't be completed because the file is open in Runtime Broker on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Try these simple tricks to fix this issue. Open any video on your current Windows media player, go to Settings and search for Remember Recent Media and disable it. Close the media player and now you can delete the video without any error. Second trick is to download and install the K-Lite codec on your computer. Link was in my description box. Download the K-Lite codec from there and install it on your computer. Once installed, go to the MP4 file, right click, click on Open With, click on Choose Another App. Now choose the MPC SC X64 and select the option Always use this app to open MP4 file and click OK. Now the video file will open on this free and lightweight codec. Once done, you can delete your video file without any error.